Have you ever been scared of the consequences of breaking rules? The fear that the world is so just that you know if you do something bad, you will get punished somehow? This artwork is called Expulsion from the Garden of Eden by Thomas Cole, and it was painted in 1828. Cole illustrated paradise, and a hostile world. Adam and Eve get kicked out of paradise because of the consequences of trying to obtain forbidden earthly knowledge from God. I'm affiliated with Christianity religion, and I always felt like I was under surveillance and God was always watching me. So I always had the feeling of guilt, fear, and paranoia whenever I did something sinful. This artwork perfectly portrayed the origin of my feelings. The peaceful valley, the liveliness of plants and animals, and the clear blue sky are contrasted with the dark, smoky atmosphere, dead trees, and non-growing plants. Just like how Adam and Eve were punished through a disobedience of God, I feel like I could also get punished by Him every time I sin against Him.